creativity important in negotiation? Absolutely. Creativity can transform a fight over price into a win-win agreement. My name is Giuseppe Conti. I am a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Let me share with you 3 strategies to increase creativity in your negotiations. The first one, create the right climate. What you want to make sure is that there is trust with the person you're dealing with, that there is willingness to share information, that there is openness to explore different ideas. A second idea, use incubation. What I mean is give yourself time to come up with ideas. So rather than trying to solve all the negotiation problems right away, give yourself 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, so that you can come up with better, more creative ideas. Third idea, in addition to playing with the existing negotiation variables, consider adding new variables or adding new topics to your agreement. For instance, the economic outlook. And then as you include different elements, you may come up with different and better ways to reach an agreement. To summarize, to increase creativity in your negotiation, create the right climate, use incubation, and consider adding new topics or variables to your negotiation. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.